Ooh, delivering to Kaluela area. Awesome. Haven't been here for a long time. Ooh. Ooh, bruh. Not even 20 deliveries yet and I'm super tired. Ooh, one of the many great perks of working for Amazon. You get to enjoy all these lovely views. And what? For free. Yes, sir. I guarantee I stay walking over here in North Vineyard. Houston. Mirrors housing right across. And these deliveries, I swear. See? Oh, let's go. Back in the hood. Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. I am in Mayor Rights housing. Back to the hood. Woo! It's been a while. It's been a while. Believe it or not, we used to hang out in this spot right now. Getting kind of dark around here. Stay around Palama, Mayor Rights, Pool Lane, Palama Street. Look at all these good shit. Yeah. Guarantee I stay in Copley Gardens. Been too long. Bro, guarantee all 20. Get chair inside, bro. Like you can literally sit inside this elevator. What's up? I mean, come on, you guys. Look at this view. I mean, bruh, it's freaking beautiful. All the way up in the 68th floor, and it's beautiful. Come on. You know what they say about Honolulu? City of Lights. Yes, sir. Bro, I guarantee the smaller elevator. They want another chair too. Wow, whoever owned this building or managing this building, bro, I give you props. See, finally done with my route. I'll head home. Yeah.